Frustrated by paywalls or watermarks when editing a PDF? I've got you covered. Welcome to Passionate About Tech. I'm here to share the top 3 truly free PDF editors for 2025. Let's dive in. First up is PDFgear, one of the most complete free PDF editors in 2025. It works on Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and has a full-featured online version, no watermarks or forced signups. We open PDFgear on our Windows PC and load a PDF file. It lets us edit existing text directly, fixing typos or updating content like a word processor. We can also add or delete images to adjust the layout. Converting files is easy, turning PDFs into Word or JPEG while keeping formatting intact. Its OCR tool makes scanned PDFs editable, and an AI Copilot helps summarize or proofread. The online version has a 100 megabyte limit, but the desktop app has no restrictions. PDFgear delivers powerful features for free, making it a top choice. Before we move on, I need your support. Reaching 1,000 subscribers is a dream I'm chasing with all my heart. Every video I make is for you, and every subscriber gets me closer to that goal. If PDFgear sounds like a tool you'll use, please hit that subscribe button and join the Passionate About Tech family. Next is PDF24, a fantastic free editor for Windows users, with online tools for any device. We install PDF24 on our Windows PCs, a desktop app with no hidden fees or watermark. Using its drag-and-drop interface, we merge PDFs by dragging files into the tool. We can also split, reorder, or rotate pages, and convert Word files into PDFs or vice versa. Its OCR feature turns scanned documents into editable text, and a virtual printer lets us create PDFs from any program. For security, we add passwords or digital signatures. PDF24 is 100% free for personal and commercial use, with no file size limits, making it a reliable offline option for Windows users. Last is Sejda PDF Editor, a web-based tool with desktop apps for Windows, Mac, and Linux. We open Sejda in our browser, no heavy software needed. It lets us edit existing text directly, perfect for quick fixes, though complex formatting may not always be perfect. We highlight text or add comments using its annotation tools, and merge PDFs by uploading files. Sejda also supports form filling and converting PDFs to Word. On the security side, we add passwords to protect documents. The free version limits us to 3 tasks per day, 50 megabytes or 200 pages, and OCR is capped at 10 pages. Despite these limits, Sejda is great for occasional edits with flexible online and offline access. That's it, the top 3 truly free PDF editors for 2025. PDFgear shines with its full features and AI tools. PDF24 Creator is perfect for Windows users needing offline power, and Sejda offers quick web-based edits. Links to all tools are in the description. Did this help? Let me know in the comments which editor you'll try, or share your favorites. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more tech tips. See you in the next one.